Well, this is high tide, and whoa, let's see if I can do this. Walking, so I hope it's not moving too much, but it seems to be still pretty bad. I'm not sure what's going up north. We do have power, which is a good thing. Dominion's been good this time. My camera's getting wet. I'm soaked, my boots are soaked, but I wanted to capture this because it is such a big storm. Fortunately, I have internet. Okay, let's see if I can get closer. I think it's receding, actually. Oh, my camera's soaked. I hope this doesn't ruin the camera. And I am here, still being as brave as possible, capturing this storm. Here it comes, back and forth. It's a bird. I just heard a, oh my gosh! It's coming over the bulkhead. Heard a bird out there. Nothing like a big, relentless ocean or a big, relentless storm to get everybody crazy. Full moon today. Oh my gosh. I wonder what tonight will bring. New York stock market closed, so there may be a big move if they've shut it down. It'll be interesting to see. Equities are gonna probably go down the drain. They're set to do that. Big like big CEOs getting out of equities. Oh my. There it is. This camera recovers. I still need it because I don't know what tonight will be like with the full moon. Oh my. These waves must be at least, oh shoot, oh my gosh. I hope it's capturing it because it's quite astounding in person. I don't know if I can capture this. I wish I had a tripod or a good camera. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Right at me. Oh my. I am so